Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Google AI Studio audio sync issue in Filmora. So let's get started. If you're using Google AI Studio to generate voiceovers and notice that your audio becomes ahead or behind when you add it into Filmora, don't worry, this is a very common issue. The reason this happens is because Google AI Studio usually adds a small silent gap at the beginning of the audio, and sometimes it exports the audio in a variable bitrate format. Because of this, when you import that audio into Filmora, the timing shifts automatically and your voice doesn't match the visuals properly. So now let's fix it. First, download your audio from Google AI Studio like normal. This will usually be an MP3 file. Next, open the audio in Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, you can easily download it for free. Once you open the file, go to File, then Export, and choose Export as WAV. Make sure to keep the sample rate at either 24,000 Hz. The WAV format keeps the audio timing stable and prevents shifting inside Filmora. Save the file, and now open Filmora. Import the new WAV file and drag it into the timeline. You will notice that the audio now syncs perfectly with your video. If you still need a small adjustment, just move the audio slightly to the left or right to align it with your clips. In most cases, though, the WAV format will fix everything. So that's the complete method. Just remember, Google AI Audio adds a small silent padding and sometimes variable bitrate, which causes Filmora to go out of sync. By trimming the silence and exporting to WAV, the issue is solved. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.